Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
21st May 21st, right? I'm sorry.
Sorry. 21st of May 2018, we got a big shock, but it was nothing compared to the shock that we are going to get 5 days later. This is Menace and the Monk talking about our experience traveling to Kiev and watching what tragedy unfolded.
You either die a hero or you live long enough to see yourself become the villain.
We are joined by Rishabh, who's becoming pretty regular these days. But let's get started, Manas. What happened on the 21st of May? Why is that date important?
I came back from my CrossFit session because I woke out, But anyway,
Pretty evident. Vegan bhi hai na
हाँ,
tu?
vegan. Vegan. Go vegan, guys.
Yeah.
So the point is, I came back and I saw the phone and I saw this barrage of WhatsApp messages, Kiev group, हमारा blah blah blah. पता चला our flight, which was the next day, right? The next day.
next day.
Next
10
day,
PM. I remember.
Ukraine International messages us that your flight has been cancelled.
Also, if you remember, the flight was scheduled from Delhi, so we had to travel from Mumbai,
From Mumbai to Delhi.
And from Delhi to Kiev.
Kiev.
So we got that message and we were like, कि भाई क्या अभी
अभी
क्या?
क्या करना है?
So but क्या किया ऋषभ? Do you remember like what we did?
See, I was in a panic mode because the next day I had planned up a shoot at work, and then I was leaving straight from there to the airport. अभी cancel हुआ. I checked into panic mode. सबसे पहले तो देखा कि भाई Kiev की flight है कि नहीं कहीं. Because luckily Kiev का visa was on arrival at the time. So we were like यार अगर पहुंच गए
Boryspil Airport.
बुरा हाँ.
बोरिस्पिल एयरपोर्ट अगर पहुंच गए तो घुस जाएंगे
हाँ.
पर पहुंचे कैसे बिकॉज
हाँ.
आई मीन वी हैड ऑल रेड ऑनलाइन इवन इन इंग्लैंड लिवरपूल फैंस वर स्ट्रगलिंग टू कम टू किएव
Yeah.
मैड्रिड फैंस वर स्ट्रगलिंग टू कम टू किएव लाइक इंडिया का क्या चांस है
हाँ.
anyways we went down and there was this only one flight which Tanay was coming from New Zealand
Yes.
that was going on to Kiev
Yeah.
and that was so I mean just to give you perspective the whole return flight was I think 30,000
Yeah.
at the time the whole Ukraine ka pura return flight was 30,000
Yeah,
29,000 or something
Yeah.
and that one way was 44
Yeah. So we paid
all of us
44,000.
four
We-
of us were from there
I was in office and I remember going into a panic mode. I called Manas, he didn't pick up because he was, I think, in his gym. And we completely panicked, like what is going to happen and all that. But Manas said, let's do one thing. Let's do it. I'll pay, you guys pay me later. So Manas was kind enough to pay for like two of us, himself and two other friends, another friend of Pranav karke. So we paid and we reached. I'll tell you something now. I have a very interesting story about panic. My flight from, because Delhi you mentioned, right?
Yeah.
So Delhi didn't happen. We flew from Mumbai.
So air crash investigation लग रहा है bro. इतना flight.
So I'll tell you, my flight
not
from
even clear
Bangalore,
yet.
my flight from Bangalore was supposed to take off. It took off late, and I was in cold sweat throughout the flight. I remember telling the air hostess that, you know what, when this flight lands, I'm going to run. Please don't. I have an international flight to catch. Very important, whatever. She said, okay. I remember taking my wife and my kid were also traveling. They were staying back in Mumbai. I was going. So I took my luggage out, and that luggage landed on someone's head. Right, because I was in so much of a hurry, and that I just remember that guy yelps, "Ah!"
कैसे दिखेगा हलकट ऐसा रुपया मत का चढ़ा हुआ है आंखों पे चश्मा नहीं है कैसे दिखेगा
And I kid you not, I ran through Mumbai.
Not even. Yeah.
I ran through Mumbai domestic airport, reached these guys. I think you were also there.
Yeah.
I think I downed a beer in what, 10 seconds?
probably
Just sheer panic.
and you were there and then what for me it was like my first ever international trip mine was a complete virgin passport never traveled and एक दिन पहले I was like यार ये this is not good omen पता नहीं जाना चाहिए नहीं चाहिए
गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है क्या हुआ हैं? क्या हुआ आपको गाना सुनाई दिया
I like fuck this and Liverpool को देखना चाहते in a Champions League final. I was like, dude, I can't let this go. And the best part, if you remember, when we went to the immigration, and of course we did not have any visas with us because it was on arrival. We go to the immigration, the guy asked, "सर आपको कहाँ जाना?" हमने कहा, "सर यूक्रेन." कहता, "तो वीजा किधर है?" हमने कहा, "सर on arrival है." कहता, "नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है."
They had to
and then guy literally had to go on Google and search it and said कि हाँ
It's such a path less traveled that fucking immigration people had to search. Anyway, so point being, we are talking about the Champions League final, which, of course, this is the drama before we reached
Before
Ukraine.
we even reached Kiev.
But anyway, so a lot has happened between that and the game. So let's get straight to the game. First ever Champions League final in person for all of us. 3-1 we lost. And
Nothing like that happened. Which championship?
But
We went to Kiev.
where
for
you and Pranav were sitting in the Real Madrid section, right?
Yes, so one of the things was we took tickets for Real Madrid section because we didn't get tickets for the home section. But there was no Real Madrid section in Kiev. The entire
Very, very
stadium
small,
was
very
yeah. So there was one small section where Real Madrid fans were seated. Otherwise, the entire stadium was red. But I want to ask you, why did you fake your visa?
Oh, but let's not get into that because एक अलग वीडियो बन जाएगा उस पे. We will lose track of the game.
But you remember AB de Villiers retired?
हाँ, AB de Villiers airport पे एक और. So many things have happened. We've been to places we were not allowed, but let's not get into that again. But so yeah, the game. You were sitting in the Real Madrid section. You had hospitality tickets again. बड़े लोग, दिल्ली के लोग. And I was sitting with Tanay in the Liverpool section, and I. What was your thought when Salah got injured?
I was like dumbstruck. I was like, first of all, I was not completely sure because it was crowded. Then, I mean, of course, his afro is visible from a million miles. And like, shit, yeah. I mean, again, as I said, like, everything that happens, it's like the Murphy's Law, right? Anything that can go wrong will go wrong.
Yeah.
And starting from the cancellation of flight, to Salah getting injured, who scored 44 goals in the season, who's in red hot form, and he gets injured in what, first 15-20 minutes?
Yeah.
And then there was just a hushed silence. I think we all can remember that very moment.
That moment was.
I think he was probably cheering because he had to because he's in a Real Madrid
No,
section.
I wasn't because I'll tell you what. Initially, we thought that okay, this is Real Madrid and we have to remain quiet and all. Within 5 minutes of the game starting, there were no Real Madrid fans in that section. There were all Liverpool fans, right? But yeah, I mean, of course, Salah's injury. How did it feel to be, experience that, Manas? I'll talk about my experience later, but
it was the place where we were sitting. We couldn't see who's got injured. It was that far away. But later तने वाले देख रहा था कि साला गया, shoulder dislocated, ये वो रो रहा है, फोटो दिखा रहा है. I'm seeing the game and he's like, देख वो रोते हुए जा रहा है. और हम लोग वो स्टेडियम में, it was again एकदम ही surreal feeling कि ये क्या bro, मैं तो इधर हूँ, मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा. But anyway, so I felt fucking deflated. मेरे को तभी लग गया हार गया, पता नहीं क्यों. और तभी वो doubters to believers हम नहीं बने थे.
यार
नहीं बने. And I feel अभी हम लोग without so many main players were playing so well, वो same spirit होता ना, तो maybe we could have made a better game of it.
I mean,
यार honestly, I was in a मतलब पता नहीं उस दिन ticket wise I had the worst luck because all the 3 bad incidents happened here, like right in front of me.
Yeah.
So Salah getting injured, it was like he's tackling Ramos, and then I saw Ramos on top of Salah, and my friend who was with me, it's like lag gaye. Because if you remember, he got up and played for a little bit.
Yeah.
And then he went down. When he went down, now we were like gaya. Then like the crowd fell silent and it was like a very bad moment.
And also the thing is like we started really, really well. I mean,
Yes.
I don't think we had any shots on goal, but we were just like really getting in the
Yeah,
rhythm.
yeah.
And it
You
just
Trent
had
had
the
one.
worst
Trent
time
had one.
possible.
Trent had one.
Maybe, yeah. But again, like no clear cut chances, but like we were just getting the momentum. We were just like, abhi, now it's getting warm, and then it just completely deflated us. And I think there was a goal that Benzema scored right at the end of the half. It was ruled out by offside, like at least chalo, we are going 0-0 into the half time.
But
there's still 45 minutes.
But Benzema, the opener that he scored.
Of course, talking about Benzema.
Sorry, I remember when Karius caught the ball. So when he caught the ball, we were like, oh. And then I looked at Tanay. I'm like, we were having a chat, and suddenly, oh. I heard this noise of fucking 10,000 supporters just celebrating, and then I look here, entire Real Madrid bench is running towards Benzema. White, okay? And I'm like, what the fuck has happened? And then मैं replay में ऐसे देखता हूँ and me and Tanya are looking at each other. We're like, fucking hell.
I'll give you my perspective
वो
because
championship final में दे दिया ऐसा bro.
I'll give you my perspective because I saw it completely.
You
like,
did?
Completely. Because I was by myself. I had nobody to talk to or anything. I was just concentrated on the game. Ball मिलता है, Benzema, I mean, of course, he's kind of jogging in front of him. He plays, and those like next 2 seconds till the ball goes, it just, you know how they elongate time,
Yeah.
and it feels like eternity. It was just like जा रही है, like किसी तरह बस goal miss हो जाए, goal miss, fucking ended up in the goal.
It happened, like I said, it happened right here. Like I could see Karius taking the ball and rolling it, and Benzema putting his foot to it. And ball, I kid you not, it happened in slow motion.
Yeah.
Like the ball is
Like
rolling
eternity.
slowly, and I'm like, please, please, please. But the ball
Ended up in the net.
So when we equalized, okay, as well. So Mane ने गोल मारा, Salah
हाँ,
हमारे
that you were
सामने-
that end, no?
Yeah, slide के हमारे सामने. वो जो गोल के बाद next 3-4 minutes थे, माँ कसम, it was, you could like ऐसे you could feel like warmth, you know, like
Yeah.
the warmth is like you can feel fire, and it was so electric. I was like कि भाई fuck जीत जाएंगे भाई, अभी तो जीत ही जाएंगे, अपन ने equalize किया. But then again, Gareth Bale.
Marcelo, he's got 3 to pick out. It's the spectacular! It's Gareth Bale! Wonderful goal!
I mean, see, the thing with Bale is like, I would have been not happy, of course, but I would have taken it in a better way had that goal been the deciding goal.
Yeah.
Because that is a world-class goal. No, you can't blame anyone for that.
Yeah, true.
It's the greatest goal arguably scored in Champions League. If that was 1-0, I would have taken it on the chin like,
No mistake from Karius, just Gareth Bale. Brilliance.
just brilliance.
Yeah.
Again, happened right in front of me.
And
it's like,
and all I can say is,
क्या है ये?
in a way, I'm lucky enough to have seen that goal because again, that's once in a lifetime.
Yeah.
But again,
I
and straight after equalizing, but it just completely killed
I
us off
could
again.
clearly see a long view from the. I think it was from a corner. maybe?
Yeah. No, not a
Not a
corner.
corner.
Marcelo,
Across, Marcelo. So I could see it happening and boom, and I'm like, wow.
Yeah, it happened right in front of the Real Madrid supporters around us. Were they going crazy? And I looked at my friend Pranav and we were like,
क्या कर सकते
This is this
Exactly.
goal you can't stop.
Yeah.
But one moment I want to talk to you guys about, which happened before this. Mane hit the post.
Yeah, right in front. I remember right. I was like, fuck, and it hit the post,
Yeah.
which is like that, not even that side.
Yeah.
Like, and I was like, oh fuck, and
That
when
was
he-
the chance.
That was genuinely.
That
I
was the
felt
chance,
कि ये हमें ज़्यादा chance नहीं मिलने वाला, यही chance था, and we hit the woodwork. I was like, hey, उसके बाद Karius happened again.
I mean, again, you guys have
Listen,
made-
Karius, if you ever watch this video, we've moved on. But still, when we think about it, थोड़ा
I
दर्द
mean,
होता है.
बहुत दर्द होता है. I remember, you know, like I said, all three unfortunate incidents happened right in front of my eyes. This
That's
guy,
what she said.
Yeah, this guy, my friend Pranav, he was sitting in the seat. He was deflated after the goal, and the ball comes. And unlike the first incident, which happened in an instant, this one happened in a flash. And he spills the ball, and it's in the net.
Yeah.
And at that point, I'm raging, right? Not at Karius, but overall. Like, you know, I'm like,
Nothing makes sense in
Right.
life. Yeah.
क्या है ये? Why us? And at that point, Pranav is like, क्या हुआ? I'm like, वापस हुआ. And like, you know, and that at that point I remember just
वापस हुआ
हाँ.
जैसे मतलब.
And at that point I remember just breaking down. I am not
Yeah.
ashamed to admit I cried like a, you know, baby that day.
But I think,
बहुत रोया
I think
था.
one crucial thing was that like at that point we didn't know this side was going on to such great things. We really felt like this was the chance.
Yeah.
Because
We
then
thought
when-
this was the only
Yeah.
chance.
Yeah, I mean we had reached that one Champions League final after like what 11 years,
Yeah.
and you never knew when the next one will be.
Yeah, that's so true. We thought that. Yeah.
We were like, and also it's Real Madrid. I mean, arguably, yeah.
I was also thinking, you know, कि numbers game, you know, like they can't win a hat trick of champions. You know,
Yeah.
I was like कि, you know
कोई
what?
तो रोकेगा.
I was like इनका bad luck आज होने वाला. I was like यही होगा. यही, but साला hat trick because before Real Madrid no one had won it back to back.
Yes.
In the
In
Champions League
this era. And I was like hat trick तो chance ही नहीं भाई. अभी तो इनके लगने वाले हैं. We will.
And again, we were in hot form. Salah again, yes.
Yeah, I think that particular day, everything like, you know, everything that could have gone wrong
Did.
go wrong. And I remember going back, you know, from the stadium to the city, going into the bars, I think overall it was a very bad time. But then the next morning came, and then came Klopp's video, and that filled us with belief again. Manas, what are your thoughts on that video?
I remember, excuse me, I remember we landed in Delhi and we saw that video. We're like, "Ye kya paap manager hai yaar?" Matlab, he's like us and everything. And then when we came to collect our baggage, Fabinho signed.
Yeah.
And that changed the mood.
And
Yeah, and that changed the mood.
literally, हम लोग we are deflated in the flight. We land. Klopp is dancing with the fans, saying that Real Madrid were lucky, we'll be back. And then we're collecting our baggage. We realized that the club has already made a sign.
Yeah.
And we're like, bro, this is the start of something. You know, like-
Exactly.
so, yeah, I think it's a good way to sign off. That final loss was the start of the juggernaut that we are right now. I think it's.
And if we had not lost that final, I don't think we would have signed Alisson, who's
Yep.
been central to both the trophies that we've won.
Yep. I mean,
So-
that save against Napoli.
Yeah.
He repaid his
Yeah,
salary. He repaid his transfer fee in that
exactly,
one save.
exactly. I mean, but Manas, any closing thoughts? on
Yeah,
this
the
particular
ribbons
video?
belong that night
Yeah.
to Real Madrid, and this has been gifted by Real Madrid Supporters Club in Mumbai. So thank you so much for that. This video you could say is for you guys as well, क्योंकि आपने काफी चीजें भेजी है. But नहीं, that final was it's a very close memory because first Champions League final as supporters. So no one and there can be nothing that can be taken away from us.
And I think, I mean, for most of us, it was our first ever Liverpool game. Was it?
Not for me, yes.
For me as well.
No.
I think you had only seen.
Pranav and me had.
Pranav and you had seen. For us, it was like the first ever Liverpool
First Liverpool
game.
game.
They lost the Liverpool virginity because of Karius. Let's just end with that note. Thank you so much everyone for watching Menace in the Monk. Rishabh, Nidhi and Vimanas, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye bye.
Cheers.
Cheers.